Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the Parts FPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor assembly 2-speed for Garland part #CK10039090. Motor assembly 2-speed for Garland part #CK10039090 is a 2-speed motor assembly designed for use with Garland commercial ovens. This motor assembly is designed to replace the original motor in Garland ovens and features 2 speeds, allowing the user to adjust the speed of the fan motor to suit their needs. The motor assembly includes a mounting bracket, fan blade, and all necessary hardware for installation. This product is UL listed and CSA certified for safety and reliability. This part fixes the following symptoms. This motor assembly is used to replace a malfunctioning or broken motor in Garland range equipment. It can help to fix symptoms such as the range not heating up properly, the fan not working, or the motor making strange noises. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing motor assembly from the appliance. 3. Install the new motor assembly in its place, making sure that all of the connections are secure and properly aligned. 4. Reconnect the power to the appliance and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.